No Star Garage, and this is why you always take out these seats. This is the back seat of the Toyota Camry. Man, that is nasty. I have to run up to Walgreens. I ran out of gloves. But man, that is nasty. People, when you buy a used car, man, but see right here, see right there, all this new metal, that fresh metal, look how clean that is when you vacuum it up. But, you know, sometimes you wonder, what do people do in their cars? How does this happen? You know, your car is, to me, my car is my bedroom. You know what I mean? I want it to be clean, man. That's why I take all this stuff out, and you'll see what I did. I took everything out the trunk, everything out the interior. We'll go through the whole thing here. As you can see, we're getting ready to shampoo the carpet, but I want to vacuum all this stuff up first and desanitize that. And let's go to the trunk real fast, and I'll show you what. Okay, we cleaned it all out. And man, there was a lot of stuff in here. I even took the box out over there, and that's in the kitchen soaking. There's a plastic box. And then, you know, I cleared all the trash out here. This is what creates rust. Fortunately, I'm in California, so California cars don't have a lot of problems with that. But anytime, you know, I found, man, a pound of leaves up in here, and dirt and sand. And as you can see behind the back seat, that's why I saw this from in here. And we're going to get all that cheap monster stereo wire out of there. And we are going to, man, this is nasty, really nasty here. This is the back seat. And man, what is some of this stuff? Oh man. First I'm gonna dump my vacuum cleaner out. And man, I'm going to get the respirator and everything, man, and get this thing done. But I want to get this stuff up before I start shampooing the carpet. So let's clean it up, man. I'll show you how nice it looks when we come back. Man, this is just nasty. This is repugnant. Man, we done found, I mean, look at this stuff. Shit, I mean, it's like a couple ounces of soda pop. It's soda pop down here. I don't care about that money. Y'all can come get it. Anybody want to come put your hand in here for $5? But man, I mean, first of all, so I mean, this is part of, you know, I can tell, man, I can play CSI right here, man. Children, matches, weed bags, lighters. There's even a switchblade right here. I wouldn't call it a switchblade, but, you know, we got a weapon of mass destruction right up in there. Had to be careful, man. I could have got poked, man. But anyway, we're going to get all this nasty stuff out of here and go get my bleach. I got some spray bleach and man, you talking about, I'm shocked. I just, looking at the rest of the car, I didn't think this would be under here. This threw me off. And see, when I do the YouTube video, I guess if I tell who the real owner, who I bought it from, man, people will stop selling me cars, man, because this is nasty. Look at some of this stuff, man. Let's clean it out, man, and we're going to come back and let's see how beautiful we can make it. This is the grimy part of the job. This is how you get these cars to be worth $2,000 more. Let's move on.